Hey there, folks. So, you're thinking about getting your truck driver's license, huh? Well, buckle up, because we're about to take a joyride through everything you need to know. First things first, let's talk about why you'd want a truck driver's license. Maybe you've got a thirst for hitting the open road, or you're eyeing a job that promises good pay and plenty of travel. Whatever your reason, that license is your ticket to the trucking life. Now, getting a truck driver's license isn't just a walk in the park. It all starts with a commercial learner's permit, or CLP for short. Think of it as a learner's permit, but for big rigs. To snag one of these, you've got to pass a knowledge test. It covers everything from safety rules to how those big brakes work. Once you've got the CLP, the real challenge begins. The commercial driver's license, or CDL, is your main goal. For this, you need to pass a skills test. It's more than just driving around a track. You've got to show you can merge onto highways, back up safely, and navigate tight spots. It's like a driving test on steroids. But wait, there's more. The type of CDL you get depends on the kind of truck you want to drive. Class A lets you drive the biggest rigs, while Class B is for smaller trucks. And if you're into driving buses, there's a Class C for that too. Sounds like a lot, right? Well, don't worry. There are driving schools out there that specialize in teaching folks how to handle these beasts. If you're feeling overwhelmed, why not let the pros at Moving Authority help you out? They can guide you through the paperwork and ensure you've got everything covered. Now let's talk safety. The trucking world is serious about safety, and so should you be. Make sure you're up to date with all the latest rules and regulations. And remember, keeping a clean driving record isn't just good practice. It's essential if you want to keep your license. And that's not all. Trucking is a job that requires serious commitment. The hours can be long, and sometimes you'll be far from home. But if you've got the drive and dedication, it can be rewarding. Plus, there's something special about watching the sun rise in your rearview mirror while the rest of the world is just waking up. Lastly, stay connected. The trucking community is like a big family, always ready to help each other out. Join online forums, attend truck shows, or just chat with fellow drivers at rest stops. So, there you have it, a quick ride through the world of truck driver's licenses. Remember, whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, MovingAuthority.com is the first stop on your trucking journey. Visit MovingAuthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you on the open road.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit MovingAuthority.com.